For great tasting filtered water for your entire home, trust GE Appliances. We develop water filtration solutions that are easy to install, easy to use, and easy to maintain. Protect your plumbing, appliances, and your family from impurities with our whole house water filtration systems. These systems reduce sand, sediment, and other impurities from your home's water supply by filtering incoming water at the source, flowing to every tap. You'll get premium water quality where you need it most for drinking and cooking with our premium under-sink water filtration systems. These systems reduce impurities, such as lead and pharmaceuticals, to produce fresh, filtered water right at your fingertips. Reverse osmosis systems from GE Appliances provide premium water quality by reducing up to 95 contaminants. GE Appliances water filtration products provide an easy way to protect your home and family from impurities in your water. Whether for drinking, cooking, bathing, or cleaning, you can be sure that your water will be filtered and ready for all your household needs.